Hello friends, today we are going to solve a question from GATE 2020. Question is from vector calculus and is of Stokes theorem. Question is given that a vector is this and S be the surface is like that. If n cap is normal to S and this is the given condition, then we have to find the value of alpha. Now we are going to use Stokes theorem to solve this question. Stokes theorem say that S piecewise smooth surface enclosed by a closed curve. Piecewise smooth surface mean it's possible to break up the surface into a finite number of sections. And C is simple piecewise smooth closed curve. F vector is the P xyz I cap plus Q is function of xyz j cap plus R function of xyz k cap, which is given this. F vector is this. P Q are continuous and first partial derivative continuous in S of P Q R. Here P is this one, Q is this one, and R is this one. We can easily verify that P, Q, R all are continuous and partial derivative also exist in given surface, this one. Okay, now then the line integral f vector dot d r vector is going to convert double integration curl f vector dot n cap ds equal, these are same quantity. Okay, now we are going to further proceed to next. There is a remark. Remarks say, in the special case where the surface S is flat and lies in the xy plane only with upward orientation, the unit normal is k. For the vector field F, P is the function of xy I cap plus Q is the function of xy j cap. Stokes theorem becomes Green's theorem. Like these are the conditions. Okay, now we are going to solve this question. Z is the given surface in our question. Z equal to 1 minus x square minus y square. It can be like that. To get this shaded region equation, we put z equal to 0 in the equation of paraboloid z equal to 1 minus x square minus y square, and we get x square plus y square equal to 1. This region will be x square plus y square equal to 1 after putting z equal to 0 in this equation. Also, the vector field becomes as f vector equal to x plus 2y I cap plus y plus x square k cap. The vector field was this one. After putting the value z equal to 0 in this one, we get after putting z equal to 0, vector field becomes h, where x plus 2y I cap plus y plus x square k cap. This is the function of x and y, which is p, and this is also function of x and y, which is q. And our region is in xy plane like that. So we can use now the remark. Using remark, we get this partial derivative of q with respect to x minus partial derivative of p with respect to y dx dy, and after uh, getting the partial derivative of q with respect to x, we get 2x, and partial derivative of this p with respect to y, we get 2, and this x square plus y square equal to 1 is our desired surface. Now we are going to parameterize this. Equation 1 can transform in x equal to going to r cos theta and y equal to going to r sin theta, and dx dy can change like r dr theta, and r varies from 0 to 1 and theta varies from 0 to 2 pi. Thus curl f dot n cap ds is equal to this, is going r equal to 0 to 1 and theta equal to 0 to 2 pi 2 r square cos theta minus 2r dr d theta. We are going to simplify this and solve this. This can be like r equal to 0 to 1, theta equal to 0 to 2 pi 2 r square cos theta dr d theta minus r equal to 0 to 1, theta equal to 0 to 2 pi 2r d theta dr. After solving this step by step, we are getting minus 2 pi. Thus the value of curl f dot n cap ds is equal to minus 2 pi. In question they are given a modulus, so we use mod. After mod we are getting mod minus 2 pi equal to 2 pi equal to alpha pi. After comparing these both term, we get alpha equal to 2, which is our desirable answer. Thank you.